starts with a small sound, a knock you think it's nothing. Every bump, every turn, you hear it again. Clunk clunk, just a noise. That's what most drivers think. But under the Pajero, something is already failing. Bushings worn out, control arms loose, shocks no longer absorbing impact. Still, the driver keeps going. Until one day at a high speed, the car hits a bump. The steering shifts suddenly, the body sways harder than usual. That small clank turns into instability. Control starts to fade, the car no longer feels planted. Every movement becomes unpredictable. That tiny sound was the warning before the failure. At DNC Auto Repair, we don't ignore the signs. Pajero owners, take note of this. Fix it early before it controls your drive. If it is Pajero, it's DNC.